to improve myself. Yeah, every day. That's the best part for me. To get more better every day, day by day, to get better and better and better. The training it's been very good so far. I like challenges so because this is a skill work. So for a person like me, like I never knew nothing about using the tools, material, and everything that is being used here. So I think for me, like it's a great thing. It's a great thing, though, and I also like it. The people who've been training me, like they've been training me great, and I like them because they understand the way I am, and I'm trying to understand them, and they are not tired of me. That's what I like from them. I'm trying my best to at the best. They're also trying their best so that I could become more and more excellent on my work. Can say my dream, like I want to travel the world. My career, because laminating is also like it can help me to apply maybe Europe or some Arabian countries. It depends. I would love to be in the boat that is on the sea. Yes, that's what I would like to.